Ooh, okay. This is it. It is for a double dry hopped. I was expecting much more of an aromatic on this. I am getting a real extra bit of emphasis on the hops in the flavor. It's a good full-bodied beer, so it can stand up to a really hefty hop, and that is what it is. It's there. However, it's not one of those, I said, real teeth cleaning type of astringent thing to match an aggressive nose. So, just one more time. I tell you, now I know why they have the ethereal look of the little bunny rabbit up in the clouds. This isn't a earthy IPA, double dry hopped IPA. This is an ethereal, more of an aromatic. And in that case, they make a point, but it's a very obscure point. So does it meet expectations? Well, if I put it in context with the little bunny rabbit on the label, yes, it does. It's a matter of reading the label and understanding it. So if that's part of it, I just missed the message and the expectation. But it's there, plain as day. So did it meet expectations? Yes, it did. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. Share us with your friends. A thumbs up would be great, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.